If x plus 1 over x is equal to 6, then we have to find x square plus 1 upon x square. Here you may notice that the given has only one power, whereas what is to find has squares. So if we simply square this, we can get squares. So we square this, x plus 1 over x whole square, and we square the other side also. And you know 6 6 are 36. Now we will expand this by the binomial formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Now here we take a is equal to x because here there is x, and b is equal to 1 over x because in place of b here there is 1 upon x. Now we substitute in the formula, we get a means x plus b means 1 over x whole square is equal to a square, and a is x, so x square plus b square, b is 1 over x whole square plus twice a means x and b means 1 over x. Here you will notice that x and x cancels each other, so what remains is x square, and here 1 square is 1 and x square is x square, plus now here x's have cancelled, so only remains 2. Now you know that x plus 1 over x whole square is 36, so we substitute the value 36, and now we change the sides. So we write this side first, x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equal to 36. Now transferring 2 to the other side, this becomes x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 36. This 2 becomes negative on change of sign, is equal to 34. So this is the desired answer. Here you may have noticed that when we square x plus its reciprocal 1 over x, only we get the squares and the constant term 2 because here x's have cancelled. So whenever you get a question of this type, that is if x plus 1 over x is equal to a, then to find x square plus 1 upon x square, you simply square this, whatever is given, 1, 2, 9, 11, 100, whatever is there, and reduce 2. You can always safely use this trick. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like videos of this type.